Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to introduce you about Latex. This is the first tutorial in the series of Latex learning. In this video, I will introduce you about Latex and how to get started with it. And I will also tell you how to begin the document on Latex for beginners. So, I have some pictures to show you how the output of Latex. This is the table of contents. If you want to prepare the table of contents for your thesis or book, you can easily make on Latex. Chapter 1 1.1, this is chapter 1, and 1.1 is the subsection, 1.2 is the subsection, 1.3 is also the subsection of first main section 1. Chapter 2 is the section 2, and these are its subsections, and chapter 3 is the section 3, and these are its subsections. You can easily make sections and subsections on Latex by using simple commands. First section 1.1, a subsection and a subsection. This is another format of representing the table of contents. It has also section and subsection, and 1.1.1 is subsection. If you want to formulate paragraphs, you can also do it on Latex. This is the first paragraph, second and third. You can also prepare your formulas on Latex by easy commands. So I will also introduce you these steps in my next video. This is the way to present bullets and enumeration. You can also get started with it by using simple commands. If you are writing an article or thesis, you can also prepare it by using Latex, and your output will like this. This is the Latex atmosphere. I have Textstudio. If you have Latex, then no worry, these are all same working. Latex is a document preparation system for producing professional looking document. It is not a word processor. It is particularly suited to producing long structured documents and is very good at typesetting commands. If you are used to producing documents with Microsoft Word, you will find that Latex is very different style of working. Microsoft Word is what you see is what you get. This means that you see how the final product will look as you are typing. When working in this way, you will probably make changes to the document's appearance, such as line spacing, headings, page breaks, as you type. With Latex, you do not see how the final document will look while you are typing it. It allows you to concentrate on the content rather than appearance. A Latex document is a plain text file with the .text file extension. When you save your Latex file, it will have .text file extension. Let's open the file. New. This is untitled. If you want to save as document.text, save. My first doc, save. Let's see my first doc.text. You will observe that it has .text file name because it's the text file. It can be typed in a simple text editor such as Notepad. This is the area for typing Notepad, but most people find it easier to use a dedicated Latex editor. As you type, you mark the document structure, title, chapters, subheadings, list, etc. as we know it with tags. When the document is finished, you compile it. This is the button to compile the file. This is compiler, and this is the save and compile. This means converting it into another format. Several different output formats are available, but probably the most powerful is portable document format, PDF, that is PDF. Your output will be turned into PDF file. So if you want to begin the document, you will have to write command for begin document. Let we have the command slash begin curly brackets document. You see, if you have begin document command, you will also have end document command, and the content you type will go between these two commands. This is the content. My first document for latest learning, and you can compile it and see what there is an error. There is an error because I have not selected the page size and font. So I will tell you how to begin with the page size and font size in the next video. Thank you.